This video will guide you through the process of requesting your Statement of Liability. To begin, on the Revenue homepage, select the MyAccount link on the top right of the screen. This is the MyAccount sign-in page. If you have not yet registered on MyAccount, select Register Now and follow the instructions. Once registered, enter your PPS number, date of birth and password, then tick the CAPTCHA box and select Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, select Forgot Password and follow the instructions. Once you have signed in, select the Review Your Tax 2017-2020 link on the PAYE Services card. This is the Review Your Tax screen. You will see the option to request your Statement of Liability on this screen. To continue, select Request. On the next screen, you will see your preliminary end-of-year statement. This is a preliminary calculation of your tax position based on current revenue records. You will be advised of any underpayment or overpayment and the amount. You can view your income tax details and USC details further by selecting View Income Tax Details or View USC Details links. We are going to view our income tax details. Details of taxable employment income that you received in 2020, including any COVID-19 related incomes, such as the Employer Refund Scheme and the Temporary Wage Subsidy, and payments from the Department of Social Protection, such as the Pandemic Unemployment Payment, will appear on this screen. In order to receive a Statement of Liability and finalise your tax position, you are required to complete an income tax return. Select the Complete Your Income Tax Return button to proceed. On the next screen, you will be given instructions on what you need to do for each section of the income tax return. When you are ready, select the Start button to proceed. This is the Personal Details section. You will be asked to enter details regarding your civil status, if you have any dependent children, if you have held a full medical card in this tax year, your residency status, your contact details and bank details. Once you have completed this section, select Next. This is the PAYE income section. It displays your current jobs or pensions, and paid tax and USC details for each job or pension. If you are satisfied that the information on this screen is correct, select Next. This is the Non-PAYE income section. If you are in receipt of income outside of your job or pension, for example, payments from the Department of Social Protection, dividends, foreign income, or foreign pensions, you can enter the amount of income received in the relevant section. If you received the Pandemic Unemployment Payment in 2020 and the amount that is on record is correct, you can tick the box to confirm and select Next. If the amount is not on record, you can input the amount yourself. To do this, select Show More on the Department of Social Protection. From here, you select DSP Pandemic Unemployment Payment. You will then be greeted with this screen. Enter the amount you received for the year in the space provided and select Add. If you are unsure of the amount you received, you will need to contact the Department of Social Protection. Once you have added the Pandemic Unemployment Payment, you can proceed by selecting Next. This is the Tax Credits and Relief screen. On this screen, you are given the opportunity to claim any additional credits or reliefs to which you may be entitled. For example, health expenses, home cares tax credit, stay and spend tax credit, remote working relief, and flat rate expenses. Any additional credits or reliefs you claim will be added to the tax credits or reliefs already on record for you, displayed on the bottom left of the screen. If you are satisfied with the information entered here, tick the Confirm All box and select Next to proceed. This is the Declaration screen. On this screen, you can review the information from the previous sections of the income tax return. If you need to amend anything, you can do so by selecting the Back button. Otherwise, if you are satisfied that the information on this screen is correct, tick the box to confirm the declaration on the bottom right of the screen and select Next. You may also print a copy of the screen for your records by selecting the Print button. Finally, you are brought to the Sign and Submit screen. Enter your MyAccount password in the space provided and select Sign and Submit. If your submission is successful, an acknowledgement screen will display advising you when your statement of liability will be made available to you and where it will be located in MyAccount. Select OK to complete the process. You will receive an email from Revenue within 2 to 3 working days letting you know that new correspondence is waiting for you in MyAccount. This email will not contain your statement of liability or give you the final result of your tax liability for the year. Revenue will never ask you to provide personal details such as your password or bank details through an email. When you log back into MyAccount, you should now see a yellow dot beside My Documents in your MyAccount home screen. When you select My Documents, you should see your Statement of Liability in the Unread Documents folder. To view your Statement of Liability, select View PDF. You now have your Statement of Liability in PDF format. Here is a breakdown of your income, including any COVID-19 pandemic payments received in 2020 subject to income tax or universal social charge. More information on jobs and pensions is available on revenue.ie.